Fear's that annoying, uninvited co-host that just won't leave. But here's the plot twist. You don't have to fight it. You just have to make peace with it. All right, so let's talk about it. If you ever felt scared to post, doubted yourself, or thought, who even cares what I have to say? Trust me, you are not alone. So this is actually the first video in my new series where I take you guys behind the scenes on how I bring all my videos to life. Everything from scripting, filming, uploading, making the thumbnails. But first, I wanted to talk to you guys about something that I don't feel a lot of YouTubers talk about, and that is the mindset that you need to have. Yes, all the other stuff is important because you need that to catch people's eyes, but at the same time, you need to focus on you too, your mental and your mindset health. This isn't as easy as everybody thinks it is. So today, I want to kick it off with the real struggle of self-doubt, fear, and imposter syndrome. Because honestly, those feelings really don't ever go away. However, the difference between people who quit and people who grow is how they handle it. I'm about to give you some real, unique, and no BS mindset shifts that will help you push through like a pro. So let's get into it. All right, now, have you ever noticed that once you start caring about something, that's when fear comes in? It's like telling you, oh, you're trying to put yourself out there? Well, let me remind you of everything that you've ever done that's embarrassing. So instead of seeing fear as like a stop sign, you need to see it as proof that you're stepping into something so much bigger. Because honestly, if it wasn't important to you, you wouldn't feel scared. Okay, so here's a tip. The next time you feel like fear is about to show up, literally just say it out loud and be like, what's up? Like say, what's up, fear? I see you, but I'm still doing this, you know? May feel weird, but it does bring you into like the control of I'm noticing it, I'm acknowledging it, but I'm still doing this. So you need to get out the way. And it's like my new saying that I keep repeating this year. I am getting comfortable with being uncomfortable. You have to understand that fear feeds off of hesitation. The longer you wait, the worse your fear is going to get. So instead of overthinking it, turn it into like a quick little game. Like, for example, this is what I do when I'm about to pay my bills. I close my eyes and I'm like 3, 2, 1, and I just hit the pay button. It's already done. So the next time you feel like you're about to hesitate to post the new content, just close your eyes, say 3, 2, 1, and hit that upload button before fear can take control over you. And once it's out there, it's out there. The hard part was already done.
1, 2, 3.
Now, self-doubt is that annoying voice that whispers, you're not good enough, what if people don't care, and what if I look stupid? I recently had a conversation with one of my really good friends, and she was asking me what I was doing with my YouTube, like what was it about, just like everything that I'm posting. And I was explaining it to her. Now, I'm not gonna lie, I am extremely comfortable with her because she is a very good friend of mine and I know there's no judgment there, but I did feel some type of embarrassment. I am soon to be 40, continuing this content creation journey, and I was just feeling a little embarrassed, like telling her. But she gave me such great feedback and she was like, girl, if you love it, that's amazing. And that's how everything will grow and everything will manifest into what you really love. Which is true. I enjoy this so much. Then it takes me back to all those self-doubt, that word. It takes me back to all those thoughts like, what if I'm not? Like, it's not stupid and people do care and people do relate to me. So I needed to just get out of my head, and I am getting out of my head. One thing that I do is that I borrow confidence from my future self. I literally imagine myself 6 months from now. I have been consistently posting, my content is getting better, and my confidence is out this world. I think about what that version of me would tell me. Like, just post it. Trust me, it's so worth it. And that literally is my mindset. Another thing that I have done before is if I am feeling doubt, what I would do, I would just journal. You guys know that's part of my journey right now. I love journaling. So I would write to my future self. One of my entries was, Dear future Vane, I know I'm nervous, but I'm showing up for you. I got us. And writing it out just made me feel so much better. So that's another tip that I feel like would really help with the self-doubt. So you just need to post like you have millions of true fans already. Now, if you've ever thought like, who am I to be giving advice? I'm no professional, or why am I doing this content? I'm a little oldie type of, mindset. You are dealing with imposter syndrome. And guess what? It is lying to you. Think about the people that you follow. People don't follow people because they're perfect. They follow people because they're real and they can relate to them. I know I have a good amount of followers that can relate to me. So instead of thinking I need to be perfect and have it all figured out, you need to switch that mindset to I'll take people on this journey with me. And that switch changes everything for you. Honestly, the imposter syndrome really makes it hard for you to remember how far you've come. In that case, I suggest that you create like a little proof folder. Every time you have a little win, you put that in that folder. So anytime someone comments something nice, you get a new subscriber, you hit another watch hour goal, or if you created a video that you were so proud of, you can screenshot it, write it down, or save it somewhere. And whenever you feel like you're having that self-doubt pop up again, go back into that folder that you have and remind yourself how far you've come. You have to think about it as every new thing that you gain on your channel is a win because you didn't have it before and now you have it. So at the end of the day, fear, self-doubt, or imposter syndrome, they don't go away, but you get stronger and you know how to handle it. So here's a few things that you need to remember when this happens. Because it will happen. Fear means you're growing. Self-doubt does not predict your success. Your actions do. And you definitely don't have to be an expert. Just be you. And if you need some help to calm your mind, I'm gonna put this video here of my meditation to help you with that self-doubt. Trust me, afterwards you are gonna feel better and refreshed. So again, this is just my first video on my behind the scenes series on how I bring my videos to life. If you are interested in the other videos that are coming soon, hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss it. Now, I need you to tell me in the comments what's one mindset shift you're gonna take from these tips that I gave you today. So keep creating, keep pushing, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.